Hello everyone, this is Vivek from Recruiterflow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post remote jobs using Recruiterflow. First, you will have to go to the Jobs tab here and then click on Add New Job. Once you click on Add New Job, you will have to fill in some mandated details. So let me just quickly fill in these details here. For the location part, you can configure the location right here from the Job Setup section. So let me just create option as a location. Once you do that, make sure you configure the city as per the company's headquarters along with the country. For example, if a company is headquartered in Austin, make sure you select the city as Austin, United States. And then you can just type in the state and hit on save. Make sure you also fill in the job description here. And once you do that, you can head over to the promote tab and you can then choose the job boards that you want your jobs to be posted on. So let me just choose Glassdoor here. After you do that, you can then head over to the settings section. Make sure you mark the job status as external and also mark the job remote status as remote. Once you do that, hit on create and finish. So that's how you post remote jobs using Recruiterflow. Thank you.